Hello everyone, it's Kyle from Instakyle iPhone Repair. Today I'm taking it outside to do a product review. I will be showing you guys the Quadlock phone case and mounting system. I really like the quality of the case and the fact it has a bunch of different mounting systems, and if you upgrade your phone or change a different device, all you have to do is change the case and all of the other pieces fit together. Alright, we got the Quadlock iPhone case. I have one for the iPhone XR and one for the iPhone 8 Plus. When I upgraded, I was able to keep all of the accessories. So I will be unboxing my new mounting system. I was having issues with my phone falling off the dashboard mount that I had, so I needed something to solve that problem. Let's get started. Alright, so it looks like we got the main piece, which is the arm that holds the phone. So it just snaps in like that. You can adjust it. Looks like it's got some gel adhesive. I've seen this kind before. I bet you just have to clean it off with water if you're gonna take it off and reuse it. And it looks like a twisting suction cup mechanism. Comes with looks like a little plate for mounting. I don't know, maybe some dashboards have some different textured vinyl and whatnot, make it difficult to stick. Directions. Oh yeah, cleaning with water. Looks like a clean your dash before mounting. So we'll take this outside and mount that in a little bit. The next box we're unboxing is the fast charging, wireless charging head for the car mount that I just got. Charges your phone while it's mounted. Some more instructions. Guessing pretty self-explanatory. Has a little screw system. Now it's ready to mount to my car. The other accessory I really like is this one, which allows you to mount it to a tripod. And that's how I'm doing my selfie. Now I'm gonna show you guys on my iPhone 4S. I'm shooting my green screen selfie videos. I've got the little Quadlock tripod adapter. The main reason I bought this Quadlock mounting system was for my bicycle. Now we are in my car, and I've got the dash mounting system, windshield mounting system, wireless system. Easy on, wireless charging, boom. So the last Quadlock adapter I'd like to talk about is the Armband, which is really useful if you're an active runner. Snap it in like that, and you go for a run.